So today we are going to discuss about this MachineVision system. The important part here is a camera. We are having a CCD camera and we are having a two different lighting system, surface light and then the contour light. And this machine is also used for measuring the 3D measurements using a probe here, 3D probe attached here. You can see the probe. Yeah. If you want to measure the 3-dimensional one, then you can see it. And before going into it, it is showing what are the two types of lighting thing. So this is a 5 rupees coin. Now we want to measure the dimensions of it. So let us see how it is seen in the software. Now you can see like there are two types of light. It is surface light. You can see it now. You can see in the monitor. So you can traverse the job. You can adjust the intensity too. You can see like how it is beautifully showing it. You can see the phi symbol. If you want to measure the surface defects on it, then you can even zoom it here. The magnification can be adjusted. You can see in the screen also, when you are adjusting the zoom, it is optically zoomed that much time. You can see like when I am going here. So if you want to measure the periphery, then you have to go for a contour lighting. So I am just switching on the contour light, switch off this surface light. You can see it get blackened. When I am traversing the table, wherever there is a boundary, I can see it. Now it is easy for us to measure the dimensions of the job. So these are the two knobs used for adjusting the Y table position as well as this X table position. So you can see like when you are traversing this table, you can find the boundaries. So whenever you want to find the periphery, you can go for the backlighting technique. So if you want to find where is the job, then you can use the laser pointer and it shows where the job is focused. Now if I am switching on the surface light, you can see how it is done. You can see the rupee also, rupees symbol, how it is there. Then let us measure it. Before start measuring, you have to do the calibration using the calibration specimen. The calibration specimen is made up of transparent and opaque region so that whatever the light you want, you can use it. So it is having some standard circles in it. So you have to go to the proof and image correction, 3 circles. When you are clicking it, you will be getting a 3 small circles. Now choose any one of the available circle here and bring that circle there to mark. So let us choose the top corner, top right one. So let us move it and bring it to the first marker. Now I am clicking it. Then the same circle I have to bring it to the second marker too. So I am clicking now. And same way I have to bring this circle to the third marker. I am clicking it. I am right clicking now. So the enlargement ratio is 25.1. And you can see here in this thing, it's 1 pixel is 11.05, magnification is 25.1. Now you can you have to save this proof parameter to 0.75. So this ensures your measurements correctly. So here you have to ensure this is 0.7. So this is the VMS window. It is a video measurement system. It consists of AutoCAD window and here it is a measurement window, and these are the icons used for measuring it. And it is having a XY position, XYZ position of the table also. And here we are having a small magnifying window. If suppose we are placing it near the edge, we can choose the pixel by pixel. So it is magnified, this position is magnified and is shown here. So let us start measuring it from the calibration specimen itself. There are some standard circles are there. So let us see the icons. So if you want to measure the point icon, you can use this point. Group of point, if you want to measure for some complex shape, you can for point cloud. It's a line. And it is a circle element. So let us choose the circle element. Here this laser pointer is on in order to identify the position on the specimen. So I am just switching off this. Now we can select the 3-point circle method for measuring a circle diameter here. So and also it is better to go for an auto edge catch point so that automatically the software detects the edge. So if you are finding it, you can see that small icon is there that is used for identifying the edge. So just identify and click it. It identifies automatically the edges. So minimum 3. After clicking 3 points, I am clicking right click so that the circle is formed. You can find the circle 1 with the center of this and diameter is of 1.01 mm. And also if you want to measure the circle in other method, you go for a box circle method. So when you are clicking it and selecting it, automatically all the edges are selected. So you can find circle C2. The C2 size also it's 1.2408 mm. And even if you want to measure the other one, and automatic circle reduction is there. Box select already we have discussed about this circle, and this is point select circle. This auto circle recognize is there. You can see like automatically it recognize, and you can adjust these edges, so it's get measured. C3 is of 1.407 diameter, and same way you can measure all lines. So now you can see if you want to measure this diagonal thing, it's a rectangle. You have to give an input 5 points. You have to get a thing, 2 points from one side and 3 points from other side. So 2 points from one side. So click it. Sorry. If you want to measure the rectangle, you have to click this point. It is a rectangle icon where you have to take 2 points on one side and 3 points on other side.